Welcome to IT Fundamental version 1.0 course. This is a pre-release introduction video. I'm the trainer Danish Heather and I will be teaching you this course. Now this is a pre-release video, and in this pre-release I try to give a lot of information that is actually not related to this course. This is what we call a pre-release introduction. So you must be thinking, how did he even get to this point? And this is the most confusing thing a lot of people when they start learning about courses or learning about skills, because something is missing. So what's missing here? So let's go back to the site. I'm going to go back to the home page of jobskillshare.org. You have decided that you want to learn IT skills and you want to become that IT pro. Now it's the time to take an action. The first thing you will do is you will need to register. Now for this only course, IT Fundamentals, it does not require Plus or Premium. You can only use free membership if you're just watching the video and learning from the videos. But if you do need the certificate, then you need to upgrade the membership. If you're looking for the labs, then you need to upgrade to the Premium. So let's say you have registered. Now the time to find that course, you will just click on the All Courses library right here and click on this arrow, Newly Published. And in newly published, you'll see IT Fundamentals V1.0. Let's actually get started with the course now, since you know how to get to it, you know what membership you will need, and then you will basically just need to know the content inside this course, what's going to be covered. So you will click on this introduction PPT, and this is another thing that I want to show you in this pre-release video, that this is a new tool that we're using for our PowerPoints. You can just click on it now with a link. You can use any mobile device, any device that you have internet now. You can access the PowerPoint very easily. If you want to move around to the slides, you can actually click on the slide right here and go back, search, and use the next, and you can do the full screen like this. If it's a video, you can actually use the video play right here, or if you want to even teach someone else, you can use the pen marker tool right here, and then you can actually start teaching just what I'm doing right now. So again, my name is Danish and my last name is Haider, and I will be your trainer. I've been doing this for 5 years, and this IT Fundamental V1.0 is going to be a big change in 2018. The way we were doing things now, it's a little different. We are actually looking at reports. We have read the comments. We know how our members are going towards IT career now. So with that, we will also need to change, and this is the change that I'm talking about. More mobile friendly site, more features, more labs, more online labs, more content like the PowerPoint that we are showing you right now, different things that makes it more interactive and also keep us up to date to the market level right now. So with this 1.0, I'm going to get started that this course is for who? Who are the target audience right now? Who are you that you're listening to this video, and then how do you think that this is going to be you? You know, this is why I need this video right now. From after this video, you will decide either this course is for you or it's not for you. So going to our next slide, the course description. In this course description, we say that we're going to show you essential skills. We're going to only talk about basics here. We're not going to talk about some big theories. We're not going to talk about something that is going to bore you. We're going to talk about basics. We're going to tell you that this is exactly what we do at work. We're going to give you an image in your mind. We're going to tell you that this is how we do work on a real daily life. We will show you videos. We will show you some real scenarios. We'll show you how much income you will be getting with these type of titles, with finishing all these courses that we're going to implement and show you after this course. But at the end of this video, you should be able to decide that is this really for you. So in this course description, we're talking about an IT professional. We're saying that you're a student, you're a person that you have decided that you want to become an IT professional. Now, when I say IT professional, who am I talking about? I'm talking about the person who is in support line, who is the first person that people will call. I'm having an issue with my computer. My mobile device needs to be set up with your office email address. I would like to know more about this tool. I need some help. The site is not working. These are the type of things that I'm talking about, and I'm calling the IT infrastructure guys, help desk, desktop support, network administrators, system administrators. This is where you will start. This is your starting point right now. So in this rough video, I'm just going to tell you exactly how we teach. So the way we teach is that you can see on this video right now. In this video, this is our common help desk problems or requests and how to solve them. And you can see this video by just going to YouTube and typing this title, and you will see the real world.
Shooting and
And I can
everything
even
at the
play
end.
this right now. And you can see real world showing you different stuff, different online materials, and kind of, showing you the videos where we are showing you sometimes live with you guys and stuff like that. This is exactly what you will learn from this course. The main purpose of this course is to understand the picture. So once you know the map, once you know you have a picture in your head and this is what you want to be and these are the things that you are going to be doing when you finish all these courses, then it's becoming very easy at the end that all these theoretical stuff will come to you very easily. You will learn every single thing in a nice and smooth and less stressful way. So we're going to be discussing about, workstations. We'll talk about the complex environment in IT, how things are so complex now. We'll talk about cloud. We talk about, VMware. We'll talk about virtualization, stuff like that, and we'll combine it. We'll show you exactly what happens these days in a hybrid world, in a cloud world, and how people are managing their IT infrastructure. So you will get a full picture in this course. So also, we will provide a certificate. Now, remember, certification is only for membership levels, so you have to have Plus or Premium. No hands-on experience is required to start with this course, so you don't need to know anything about IT. We know that we're designing this course for people who have no knowledge about IT career. They just want to become that IT pro, and either you're a student, career changing, or anyone that just wants to know how to become an IT pro. And I want to start. I want that starting point, and this is going to be your starting point. We are going to be actually using the practice lab, and this is recommended because we're going to be following the lab here. But you can use your own computer, you can use your own lab computers. It is really up to you. We just make it a little bit easier because online lab you can reset it again and again without worrying about your computer. So we are going to be using that lab. And the other good thing about this lab is that it is also towards the CompTIA. It is a CompTIA lab which is not active at this point, but you will still learn something about CompTIA because the next courses we are going to be using CompTIA new labs, and then you can actually in indirect way you will be preparing for yourself for CompTIA A+ certification. We're not saying that we're going to be training you for that A+ certification. It is just that how it's going to work, how our real world scenarios will be in sync with that lab. So here are the labs that you may need to take. Now you may be asking me that how do I really get the labs? For that you need to watch our other videos on how to get the labs, but I can show you quickly right now by going to our practice labs right here. You'll get the membership and you get the username and password with your membership from the dashboard. When you log in, when you log in, you will see this lab right here. This is the one that I'm talking about, the CompTIA IT fundamentals, and you can see this is the exact same units that we're going to go through and give you the real world scenarios with this lab. So this makes it super easy that you have a website with the labs and now you're watching the videos and you're doing things without investing in your own hardware. Going back to our IT fundamental PowerPoint, and again, prerequisite is none. So I'm going to click on next. In our next slide, we already talk about required materials. You do need internet access, of course. You just need free membership level for this course or above. So if you have a plus or premium that you're already set, if you don't have any membership level like plus and premium, you do need free membership level. With that, you do not get labs or certification, but you will see the videos for free in this course. Instructional methods. In this, we will talk about lectures, demonstration, like real-world scenarios. Like, for example, this is the video that we created for our other course. You can see how The real world scenarios will work. We'll show you exactly what we do at work. At the end, give you some advice. And this video is common help desk problems or requests and how to solve them. You can type it right now and just see how we're going to be teaching you. And you can see by the rating of this video. And that's how we are going to be teaching this course. Also, we're not changing that. So demonstrations, class discussions, now virtual discussions inside the units, individual groups projects, and this is going to be more like the ending of the course where you'll see the project and you finish it and you submit it for the certification. Assessments criteria, we will have a final project for this course, and when you finish it you'll get the certificate. Resources, what you will need is a website, collaboration tool. We're already providing these tools. So you have the website that we are using right now, jobscholarshare.org. Collaboration tool that you can see right now is that you will go to the course, labs, and like discussion tools inside the units. You will have a comment section and you will type in that. That's what I'm talking about by using these tools. Social media, we'll be sharing this on YouTube, Facebook, other things. Labs, you will have labs just like the one that I just showed you right now, practice IT labs, and then we'll have study groups for some courses, maybe for this courses, may not. It depends on the outcome of the course at the end. Instructor contact information. This is where you can go to the unit of this course and inside the unit. So, for example, this is a coming soon, but when you click on it, you will see a full course, and then you can submit a comment in there. So if I log into the site right now with this test account, and let's say, for example, I log into one of the courses that we already have the older versions. So if I go to, let's say, for example, help desk entry level to specialist course, this is a pretty big course, and this is why we're creating all these new courses now to make it very refined and defined. So now you see right here you're inside the course. You can actually change this and make it full view like that. And these are the tools that we're going to be using. But let's say, for example, you have a question about this specific unit. Scroll down all the way and you can ask a question inside the unit and submit your question and someone will answer. You can see so many people already started a discussion in this course, and this is just one unit. Yeah, you have discussions per unit right there. Okay, so going back to the email. Email is another way, so you can send the email to support@jobskillshare.org and then ask a question. You're having issues with the project or things like that. So this is the fundamental that we're talking about. So this is the pre-release video. If you're still not sure, make sure you go to YouTube, go to jobskillshare.org, subscribe to that channel. We always put some kind of videos for you to get started. So if you go to jobskillshare.org and click on videos, you will see the latest videos. You will see it right here. And this is the videos you guys should definitely watch. Website walkthrough, how to use jobskillshare.org before starting this course. This is very important because then you will save yourself so many issues. Maybe you will have an issue with like, oh, how do I really create an account? I am using a Gmail account. How do I log into that account? So many help desk calls can be saved by just watching this video and the one that I'm making right now. This is why we are calling it pre-release again. So going back, what is the outcome of this course? We really want you to be happy, less stress, and at the end you should be feeling like I have started something cool. I am so happy with this course that this is it. This is what I wanted. We get testimonials every single day, and I want you guys to go to jobskillshare.org and build your confidence and give it a try, because this is where a lot of people will get stuck, that they might not be able to think that is this really right thing, is this a right platform? So when you scroll down and first go over all these blogs and try to see if you can relate someone. You could be a person from military, you could be a person as a student, you could be a person career changing from like accounting and things. You will find so many people. And then if you come over here and then you just scroll to the right like this, just put your mouse and just scroll to the right, move your mouse to the right, and then just start reading about these testimonials. We get this on a daily basis, and look how many people are successful. They came just like you one day, searched on Google or YouTube, I want to become that IT pro, and they found something in jobskillshare.org, and now they're happy because this is exactly what we want at the end. we want you to be like this person. We want you to be this right here. We don't want you to be this. We don't want you to be, thinking about how, man, this is a boring course. The person just talks about theory, DHCP, DNS. Oh, this is too boring. I've been looking on YouTube, and this is the videos that we see. Or we don't want you to be this person angry. I just wasted my time on jobskillshare.org. So this is why we're making these pre-release videos before courses, so you need to know about the courses even before you start. So for some people, this 10 to 20 minutes will be a waste of time, and they'll say, okay, I'm not taking jobskillshare.org courses. And there will be people that, you know what, this is it. This is exactly what I wanted. I'm going to go ahead and give it a try. I'm going to come to this site and then start the courses, watch the introduction videos, how to use the site, how to start with the new courses, how to contact the IT advisor, and then I am focused. I'm going to be doing something hands-on, and this is exactly what it is in your real life too. If you're not going to go for it, it's not going to come to you like that. So thank you for watching this video. Pre-release video is over. We're going to be creating our final video, and that's going to be just for the course. And hopefully we will not be teaching all the stuff that or talking about all the stuff that we have just talked. We'll be focused on the course. Thank you so much, and see you guys in that course.